Hello guys and welcome to our new math session. Today's lesson is going to be perpendicular lines. So let's understand what does it mean perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, it means that they are the lines that intersect at a right angle, which means 90 degrees. So they are intersecting in 90 degrees here, like that. Here, two intersecting lines forming 90 degrees both. So I have here 90 degrees and I have here 90 degrees, I have here 90 degrees and I have here 90 degrees, so they are perpendicular lines. So again, let's have another shape for the perpendicular lines. So no matter the position of the lines, they are forming right angles. So once they are forming the right angle, so I can call them perpendicular lines. Yes, thank you. So let's have an example. A question like that is going to be solved. How can we solve this question? Are the pairs of the lines perpendicular lines? Like this line, is it perpendicular? No, of course not. They are not forming a right angle. So there is no here right angle, there is no here right angle, so there is no forming right angle. So no, they are not forming a right angle, so it means that they are not perpendicular lines. Okay, let's have another example. This one. Is it is this pair of lines perpendicular or not? Of course not, because they are not forming right angle. So once they are not forming a right angle, I cannot call them perpendicular lines. So what about this one? Yes, it's perpendicular because it's forming a right angle. So it's perpendicular line. They are perpendicular lines because they are forming a right angle. So this is the right angle, guys. So I need you to solve these four questions. Pause the video for 2 minutes to solve this question and come back to me. Okay, so let's answer it together here. Are the pairs of the lines perpendicular lines? So what about this one? I will not show you. The angle. Is it perpendicular or not? You have to figure it out yourself. Like here, to make it easier for you, I just draw these lines on a squared paper, so you can figure out where is the right angle. So, for example, this one. Are they perpendicular lines? So I have to ask myself another question. Are they forming right angles together? Yes, they are forming the right angle here. So, yes, they are perpendicular lines. So, what about that? So, are they perpendicular? Or make it another question. Are they forming a right angle? Of course not. So, they are not perpendicular lines. Okay, what about the third one? Here, are they forming a right angle? Are they forming a 90 degrees angle? Yes, here. This is a right angle. So, it means that they are perpendicular lines. Okay, the fourth one and the last one. Are they forming right angle or are they perpendicular? Yes, they are forming a right angle, so it means that they are perpendicular lines. So guys, this is the session for today. I hope that you understand what does it mean perpendicular lines. So wait for me for the next session. And thank you very much for listening and have a wonderful day.